Yo, what up, family? It is Sunday, a really rainy day on Sunday, and I just decided to come to Links and get a quick little lifting session in before my parents wake up. So, because I don't know exactly how the day is going to unfold, so step one, take care of your physiological needs first, which is me getting my training on first, meditate, hydrate, work out, and then the day will play out the way it should. All right, now I'm about to just warm up on the treadmill right now and get into that lifting. Let's get it. So we are currently on a maintenance program. So I'm just maintaining strength because I'm going to be having a few travel dates coming. So I want to maintain my strength so that I don't know exactly what equipment I'm going to have access to while I'm traveling. So I'm just getting my body prepped for this time away while still maintaining my base of strength. When I get back in the fall, September, I'm going to program so that not sure exactly what program I'm going to do just yet, based on how I feel and what mood I'm in. Probably going like a 4-8 week program. So stay tuned for that. And of course, I'll be sharing everything on this channel. All right, so just look out for that.